Hello everyone! Today I am going to guide you how to install Android OS on Nintendo Switch. The first thing that you should do is to have your own Nintendo Switch. And if you already have your Nintendo Switch, just go to your settings and do the second step. Back up everything in your Nintendo Switch. You will see there a button that says Automatic Save Data Backup. Third, download Hecate IPL in your Nintendo Switch. Once the download is complete, change your partition manager in your Nintendo Switch. You can see their different partition layout. Fifth, you have to transfer the user and data files in your Nintendo. Please take note that transferred user information and saved data will be deleted from the source console. Sixth, inject the RCM payload to your Nintendo. And after following all of these steps, you just have to reboot the Nintendo itself and you're good to go.